Good morning, welcome to a video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham for this VW Passat 2-litre TDI BlueMotion Tech Alltrack 4Motion, so 4-wheel drive manual diesel, 2014 on a 64, 2 owners, estate car, 4-wheel drive, 86,000 miles, last serviced at 83. Just had the cam belt and water pump replaced. Got a good service history and in absolutely beautiful condition. £8,995 with satellite navigation and a tow bar. 4-wheel drive diesel estate. Unusual for a Passat, don't see many of these. What a nice thing it is. Rear park sensors, privacy glass, aluminium roof rails. As I say, satellite navigation. Wheels, the whole car is immaculate. Bodywork, nice aluminium mirror backs. Another perfect wheel, new disc and pads, new tyres. Front park sensors, 8,995, a lot of estate car. Inside, black and grey cloth. 6-speed manual diesel. Cruise control, multi-function steering wheel. There's the sat nav. Oh. Has DAB radio, Bluetooth as well. Super clean. Really lovely clean car. Nice neat tow bar. Huge boot, of course, on a Passat estate. Load cover is in there. Have a look under here. Spare wheel. Two owners, good service history, just recently serviced, cam belt, water pump, tyres. It's got new brakes on the back, new tyres, new brakes on the front. So the discs are new. What a lovely thing. So the 18-inch Canyon alloys apparently were an optional extra. So it's got automatic headlamps, has 2 keys with it. 86,967 miles. Auto hill hold, electronic handbrake. Very clean car. Got mats, fitted mats. Got Bluetooth, DAB radio, obviously climate control. £8,995, really stunning estate car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, and nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to Barclay Motor Company's YouTube channel, 5243 Barclay Motor Company on YouTube, then you will get a little notification every time we upload a fresh car into stock. You will be the first person to know about it. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.